Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the delectable world of Japanese cuisine and focusing on one of its crispy delights, kakiage. But wait, there's more. We're about to uncover some maximum unknown facts about this tempura marvel. So, get ready for a crispy adventure. First things first, what exactly is kakiage? Kakiage is a traditional Japanese dish consisting of a crispy and colorful vegetable tempura. Thinly sliced vegetables are mixed together, coated in a light batter, and then deep fried to perfection. Now, let's dive into some maximum unknown facts about this flavorful delight. Did you know that kakiage holds a special place in Japanese cuisine as a versatile and creative dish? While it typically features a medley of vegetables like onions, carrots, and sweet potatoes, it can also include seafood such as shrimp or squid. The possibilities are endless, allowing chefs and home cooks to showcase their culinary artistry. Here's an interesting fact. Kakiage is deeply rooted in Japanese culinary history and has been enjoyed for centuries. It is believed to have originated from Buddhist temples, where monks would fry a mix of leftover vegetables to avoid waste. Over time, this humble dish evolved into the crispy and delicious kakiage we know today. Prepare to be amazed. Kakiage not only delights the taste buds but also pleases the eyes. The art of creating a perfectly shaped kakiage is a skill in itself. Chefs carefully arrange the vegetables in the batter to create a beautifully textured and visually appealing dish. The balance of colors and textures makes it a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Here's a fascinating twist. Kakiage is not limited to being enjoyed on its own. It also plays a versatile role in Japanese cuisine. It can be served as a standalone dish, as a topping for udon or soba noodles, or even as an ingredient in sushi rolls. Its crispy and flavorful nature adds a delightful touch to various culinary creations. And there you have it, folks. Kakiage, the crispy and versatile vegetable tempura, is not only a delightful dish but also a piece of culinary history. So, the next time you crave a crispy treat bursting with flavors, give kakiage a try.